We get asked a lot of the time, why do I need an accountant and why can't I just do it myself? Well, there's a few good reasons to get an accountant, and the 5 that we always give make a lot of sense when you think about it over doing it by yourself, because as a company director you have certain duties and responsibilities to the government in order to report and pay taxes on time, and you also have an obligation to make sure that your company does the same thing. As a director, it's not your responsibility, it's not your accountant's responsibility, rather it is your responsibility. So my first reason is an accountant can save you time. They know every system backwards. Well, a good accountant will know how to set up a very good invoice booking system, purchases and expenses all coming in automated without the need for manual data entry, and they can save you time by making sure that you don't have to chase needless debtors, and you can do this as automated as possible. The second reason is they can reduce tax liabilities by making sure that you calculate your taxes correctly. And not only can they reduce your tax liability, but they're just going to make sure that your tax liability is correct. If you overestimate or underestimate, both are bad. One is bad for you because you're paying too much, and the other is bad for you because you're paying too little, and you're exposing yourself to the possibility of an audit and more fines. The third reason goes on to what I've just said about fines, the need to prevent fines. You do not want to be given a letter by revenue saying that you owe 100% of the tax that you did not pay, or even more. Or at worst, they throw the book at you and publish your name and disgrace your reputation in the newspaper or in the media. The fourth reason is, and we're getting onto the happy stuff now, an accountant can help you to grow your business. They can do this by raising finance in many forms, such as applying for grants, applying for loans, creating a business plan and a financial projection so that the bank manager actually believes the data he's been given. And they can also help you by giving you good information on time, such as giving you your management reports when you can actually do something about it. There's no point getting your sales information and your cost information and finding out that you're making a loss 3 months after the fact that it's happened. You need to have your information on time, and you can only act on the information if it's been given to you in a period where you can actually act on it. The fifth reason to get an accountant is to lose your worries and your sleepless nights over the fact that you're now a company director and you're responsible for your own company and for making sure that they report all of the things they need to report on time, and the taxes are calculated correctly, and that you pay them on time as well. An accountant can help you do this and will remind you, because that's what you're paying them to do.